Oh, so market was moving on its own way, where I am busy in my Independence Day, in my country's Independence Day. So first of all, Happy Independence Day to Pakistan on 14 August. Now let's start with today's trend. As I saw that the market was closes on the in selling trend in mostly in commodities, but in currency like Australian dollar it goes in buying trend. So let's guess and let's indicate what would be the next levels and what will be the next trend of currencies and commodities in tomorrow on Monday. So which two commodities closes with the double top. Hello everyone, I'm Rabi Amjad. I'm gonna tell you what would be the next trend of the market on coming Monday on tomorrow. So let's start with we see the last Friday's high low of all the currencies and commodities. As you see, last Friday the Australian dollar low was 71.31, whereas its high was 71.47. Also US low was 23.44. Gold low was 19.32, whereas it closes at 19.47 roundabout. And silver low was 25.73 as it closes at 26.1. So these are the close rate of market and stock market where it closes last Friday. So let's see what's really going on the market and why market is moving in very much volatility, like sometimes up so much upside and sometimes so much low side. Now it's selling is static and we saw this right round about 75% selling trend in the market. What would happen in the market last Friday? So let's see. As you saw last week that US crude oil also goes so much upside and rate was very much high, and on last Friday US crude oil stops and closes at 23.79, which was also day before Friday closes rate. So US crude oil shows us that the double top had been hidden on Friday. So we are expecting the selling trend in the crude oil and the next level will be 22.83. So because of this double top, I am seeing the crude oil will be definitely in selling trend on Monday on tomorrow, and just tomorrow it will definitely come in downside, and the rate downside resistance would be like 22.83. So I am expecting the selling in the crude oil on Monday. Now let's start and let's see. As you saw, the last 2 weeks gold prices was very much high and it goes upside in very volatility speed, and it go upside and it's hit its lifetime high like 2075, which was it's like lifetime high. So as we saw that gold hit 2075 on last week, and then it started after hitting 2075 it will decreases, its rate is going to decrease, and its selling trend started, and in one day it go income downside till like 1850 roundabout, but again it retrace, and retracement would be like we saw till 1945 and 1950 roundabout. Then on last Friday we saw that it closes at 1943, which is its close, and the candle showed that the selling trend and the bearish trend was on Friday we saw. So let's see what would be the next level, next trend, and next level of gold and where it go. I see that gold will definitely come downside till 1795. It will definitely retrace again, and then first downside resistance would be 1885, whereas the second downside resistance would be like 1795. It would be the second resistance where it start its bullish trend. It will definitely come again at that level, but we can see a little bit high level also like 1982 can be hit on Monday in gold, but it will definitely in selling trend. Now let's start with the silver and what would be the silver next level and next trend, as it also shows us on Friday last week that it also hit the double top, and it closes it hit the 27.64, which was also its yesterday's day before Friday closes rate, and the level of upside 27.64. so double top shows that it will definitely in sell, and it also sell on Friday, and the selling trend also we saw on Friday that it after hitting double top it goes on selling trend. So the next level would be like So I saw that the silver as it closes at 26.41, it will definitely come downside again, and 22.92 would be the next level. On Monday we saw the low of 22.92, where it was also a good price to buy silver. So let's see where the market will move on the Monday, tomorrow morning. Now let's predict about the Australian dollar and US dollar. What will be the next level of Australian, what will be the next level of currency, especially in Australian dollar, as we saw that last Friday and last working day, it hit that 0.7170 level, and it closes at round about 0.71 20 25 30. So I'm saying that on Monday, on tomorrow, Australian dollar rate will also go in buying position, and it will go upside, and it hit 0.7210 or 15 level, whereas if it come downside and where it started from the buying trend, like 0.7010 where it started its bullish trend, so it can also come downside, and the first downside resistance will be 0.7063, whereas we can see a further, not that much further selling. I am saying that it will definitely in upside trend, because Australian is a very stable currency, and it's mostly in its buying trend, and it will sell just because of the some kind of news or fundamentals, whereas its next target will be 0.7260, which I am seeing in coming future or in coming week. So this is all about the currencies of Australian dollar. This is all about the commodities, why they goes so much upside last 2 weeks, and what will be the next trend of financial market round. It's on all over the market, all over the world. What will be the next level? Is that the bullish, or is that in selling trend? We will see on Monday, but according to our expectation and prediction, I give you my prediction level and my prediction level of trend. So please keep like and subscribe my YouTube channel for further assistance, for further predictions level, for further trend, and for further guidance in stock market.